Alright guys, it's out, sitting on the floor. Let me tell you, that was a fun one. Like my little torque converter there, that is a killer torque converter. Smaller is better. Anyway, got a few things to check out, make sure everything's okay, the motor mounts, all that normal stuff, you know. The motor did have a little bit of movement, so ooh, that was probably a good shot there. Super fast mo. She don't look the same without the engine, does it? Just looks like a regular truck. Anyway, I'm done for the night. Too tired. I'll finish it up tomorrow after work.